Hello, I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Poseys. So I'm getting started with my Angelica gown for Halloween, and I'm not going to make all new undergarments for it because I already have all of the undergarments I need. So I thought I would go through and show you all of the things that I'm wearing underneath my Angelica gown. So without further ado, here we go. My first layer is a linen shift, stockings, and my American Duchess shoes. I made the stays with the Augusta Stays pattern from Scroop Patterns and Virgil's Fine Goods. A link is in the description below. I absolutely love these stays. They are really comfortable and I have never had any issue wearing them. The next item is a linen petticoat. Check the description below for a link to a video on how I make 18th century petticoats. My false rump was made with the Francis Rump pattern from Scroop Patterns, also linked below. What do you think of 18th century undergarments? Let me know down in the comments. Proper undergarments are important to achieve a historical silhouette. That being said, if time, budget, or health prevent wearing or making them, no judgment here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. To support the channel further, I have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you on our next sewing adventure. Bye!